Hi, this is Paul from xBratTrading.com, and I haven't made a video for a while on ElliottWave because markets have been very tumultuous with what's going on in Russia and Ukraine. But we seem to have found some good support here, and we could be getting back into that swing trading realm. It's still quite volatile, but we need to understand what's going off. We had FOMC yesterday, and there's a couple of years. I'm just going to look at URI, and I'm looking on the weekly time frame here. So let me just do that, but I'm going to get confirmation from the daily. I'm going to go through that in a minute. So when we use the ElliottWave indicator suite, this is a trading view version. It's available for lots of other platforms. So when we look at this, it measures this wave 4 behavior. So there's a few things here. The 6-4 moving average high has been broken here. Where my cursor is here, that's what we would normally use for a conservative entry, breaking through there. Obviously the week's not closed yet. This is a weekly candle. It needs to close above there, really. Okay. The 535 oscillator is crowned between 90 and 140% during the wave 4. This is good. It's not broken the rules. We've got the false breakout stochastic on the top here, so that means it's a really strong bullish trend, and when it crosses out, pulls back against it and crosses over in the oversold zone here during that wave 4, the likelihood is it wants to return to that main bullish trend. So that's 2 ticks in the boxes. We then have this support formed in the green zone of our pullback zone, so that represents an 85% probability it's going to go on and hit that 5th wave target zone. And the middle of that target zone is around about $455, something like that. So everything's looking good. I've also got those EMA clouds that I use a lot in there. You can see the 89 EMA clouds really holding a support there. So that's non-linear support, whereas these pullback zones are fib zones, they're linear support zones. So everything's working out okay. But I need confirmation. I like multiple time frame strategies, really. So as far as the weekly time frame's concerned, I would really like to get into this, and I'd love really I'd like the week to complete, the weaker candle to close above that 6-4 moving average high, and then get an entry around about this sort of price 343.46. But I don't know until it's finished. But if I now go to the daily time frame, what I'm looking at here is I've had a 4 and a 6-star buy on the xBratAlgo. Also our new BIAS Heatmap, all green on the swing trading setting here. So multiple time frames, 6 to be there's 6 time frames here, all saying this is bullish now. Okay, so that depth of that bias is bullish. We've got the 6-star xBratAlgo buy signal here. So not only have we got ElliottWave, we've got a totally different strategy on the daily time frame, that multiple time frame strategy, giving us that signal to go long. We've got a 6-star buy. And again, what we would look for on this daily time frame would be an entry above yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was around about 340.50. So in theory, what we are looking for, if we're going to be aggressive with this entry, we would look to break yesterday's high and get in this xBratAlgo. But being where the markets are right now, yes, we've got a big lift over the last couple of days with FOMC, but I still want this week. I've got enough risk to reward, enough fresh air. I want this week to close out. We're on Thursday now, so we've got Thursday and Friday's session. Let's let that weekly candle close out, then get above the high of this week. We've still got a decent risk reward up into that 5th wave target zone there. So it's about being conservative, but understanding we've got the backup on that daily time frame. So not just the weekly on the ElliottWave for that 5th wave move, but we've got the xBratAlgo on that daily time frame for a potential great long swing trade on URI. Hopefully that helps. It's about combining those indicators. So the EMA cloud here, the ElliottWave indicator suite, and then the xBratAlgo on a different time frame, really giving us that confidence to go long on URI. Hopefully this helps. Check out the links below in this video, and please subscribe to the channel. You can have a look at not just the trading view version, but other versions of all of these indicator suites.